Don't talk to me.
Hey, put your phone down. Get it on my face. I don't like you.
All right, that's
and you're
okay.
rude. Don't talk to my brother.
I'm not talking to no one. Stay away from me.
Yeah, you're talking like that because you have a video camera on, dumb bitch.
Did you call me name?
Yes, and I'll say to the camera, you are a dumb bitch. Hi, bitch. Get away from her. She just videotaped me. And I'm gonna break your goddamn phone. She's saying they're videotaping. Oh, I'm